Hey, this is Deepak here from digitaldeepak.com, and in this video I want to talk about Email Octopus. So Email Octopus is a email sending service which helps you send email using Amazon AWS, and it has a pretty competitive pricing compared to other email marketing providers. Like for example, if you want to have 10,000 subscribers, you are just going to pay $19 a month, and then you are going to go ahead and connect your Amazon SES account, and you can send mail from your Amazon SES. So to sign up for an Amazon SES account, go to amazon.com and go to Amazon Web Services. In Amazon Web Services, you will be able to find something called SES. So SES is Simple Email Service by Amazon. So I have an SES account, and if you go ahead and check the account, you can see that I have got this verified. So I can send email from mail@digitaldeepak.com. And if you look at my sending statistics, you can see that I have a maximum send rate of 50 emails per second, and I can send 250,000 emails per 24-hour period. So this reputation is built over time, and if you go to reputation dashboard, you can see the bounce rate and complaint rate is very less. So if it is less, then it is healthy. Like it says that senders with a complaint rate exceeding 0.5% will risk suspension, and my complaint rate is 0.04%. So this is measured over the last 29,000 emails that was sent, and this is how they calculate it. So bounce rate and complaint rate should be low, and you can also buy a dedicated IP address if you want. Right now I don't have a dedicated IP address. So Amazon SES account has to be connected to your Email Octopus account. So this is my Email Octopus login dashboard, and here you can see that I can have the email lists updated here, and I can also go ahead and have different templates. So if I want to go ahead and send a campaign, so these are the campaigns I have sent using Email Octopus. And then you can also do an automation. So automation basically helps you go ahead and create a drip marketing workflow. It does not give you like a branched tree workflow, but it gives you a drip marketing workflow. So I will just call it test, and I will go ahead and click on create. So you can see that I can add emails to this workflow, and this is how I add the emails, and this can be X hours after they sign up, X days after they sign up. So this is basically a drip marketing campaign. And you can also set up integrations. So here you can see there is integration with Zapier, and we have already discussed about Zapier. And you can use an API key with your app if you are developing an app as well. And then you have the support section. So this is a very quick overview of Email Octopus. So since I have already set up Email Octopus with my Amazon SES, what I have not done in today's video is that I have not shown you how to set it up from scratch, but I will create another video where I am getting a brand new Email Octopus account and brand new Amazon SES account, and I will show you how to set it up. But if you go ahead and just tinker with it, it's a very step-by-step process to go ahead and follow. If you sign up for Email Octopus, they will tell you the steps that you need to follow just to get an account at Amazon SES. And once you get that, you will be able to go ahead and start sending email using Email Octopus. I will also show you how the pricing for Amazon SES works. So I will just search for Amazon SES pricing. So apart from what you are paying for Email Octopus, you also need to pay Amazon SES for the emails that you send, and it is $0 for the first 62,000 mails you send per month, and 10 cents per 1,000 emails sent thereafter. So let's say you are going to send 100,000 emails in a month. So let's assume that you have 10,000 subscribers, and you are going to send email 10 times in the month. So 10 times if you send email, that's going to be 100,000 emails. So out of that, 62,000 is free. So for 38,000, you are going to pay 10 cents for every 1,000 emails sent thereafter, which means that for 38,000 mails, it's just going to be 10 cents, and that's just $3.8. So $3.8 plus Email Octopus pricing, which is $19 for 1,000 subscribers. that's going to cost you around $22.8, and that's all it's going to cost you if you have a list of 10,000 subscribers. So if you are using Amazon SES and things like that, you can manage it with low monthly price that you pay for your email sending. So go ahead and try setting up Email Octopus and connecting Amazon SES. And if you run into any trouble, go ahead and leave a comment below. I will use your questions and doubts so that I can go ahead and create a new tutorial on how to sign up for Email Octopus and how to sign up for Amazon SES and connect the two. So thank you for watching this video, and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.